Hello everybody, Baby Bella AJ here, and okay. So today I'm doing another interview with my sister,
MYA2123.
Speak up.
MYA2123.
Speak up more. Selena was louder than you. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of who you have become. Anywho, she is very quiet, unlike me, which means that she can't record videos because she has to be louder than this. So
I can be loud, by the way. I choose not to because
You
I
have
don't
to
want to
be-
do it.
you have to be loud in the video, or people can't hear you, and then we'll have to do it all over again, and you don't want to do that. So. Okay, if we cannot hear you, then we'll have to do it. We've already tried this one time, and then it was a glitchiness. Let's get started. Okay, question 1. By the way, we're doing an interview if I did not mention, because I don't know. What is your favorite thing to do on Animal Jam?
Probably to design them.
If you want to be quiet, just speak into it. My favorite thing to do... I love how she just looked over there like it was a bridge or something. It's hilarious. My favorite thing to do on Animal Jam is go to the medieval party and sit in the Queen's throne and watch the conflict because it's fun. Okay, question 2. What is your favorite animal?
Probably my Arctic fox because I just got it, so probably be playing that for like 2 months. So yeah.
Okay, my favorite animal right now is my cheetah because I like it and it's cute and pretty. So yeah. Okay, question 3. Question 3 is, are you in a relationship in real life and in
In real life, no, and in Animal Jam, sorta and sorta not, because we're just still figuring out things that are happening.
Okay. In real life, no. In Animal Jam, no. Okay, question 4.
But the charger's too far.
4. What is your favorite color in Animal Jam and in real life?
In real life, it's blue, and in Animal Jam, it's white, brown, and black.
He's talking about white. My favorite color in real life is purple, and my favorite color in Animal Jam is this periwinkle color. I think it's pretty like, or this color. That is beautiful. So, I like that. Next question. Oh, okay. What is the thing that annoys you the most in Animal Jam in real life?
In real life, how people say how they are very annoying. No, like how people say they're not pretty when they know they are, but they're just saying that just to get attention. Second of all, when on Animal Jam, how people say I need a guy, and then when somebody goes up there and says I will be, they'd be like, no, not you, I need another one. That's annoying. But you just said you needed a guy. I mean, for real, come on.
The thing that annoys me in real life is
When I tickle her all the time.
no. I'm gonna tickle you right now. And yeah, it'll be funny. Okay, so my favorite thing, the thing that annoys me the most in Animal Jam is login world errors. Animal Jam just does those to annoy us and be rude. So,
Yes!
and then the thing that annoys me in real life is, like, you know why you have, like, your fingers and you go like that on your 2 front teeth? I think it's just me because I have, like, fillings there. And I go like that, it annoys me so much. But when I, like, rub my thumb across my 2 front teeth, oh my god, I hate it. Or when, like, I have my the towel in my hair, and, like, I do this, and it just makes, like, this sound of, like, I don't know what it is, like the towel rubbing against my dry skin, and it annoys me. Like, I hate it so much. It makes me cringe. Okay, next question. Okay, question 6. What is your least favorite animal?
Probably a giraffe or an elephant.
The crocodiles. I don't like the crocodiles.
Or the sharks.
Or the octopuses. They're scary. Okay.
I mean,
Do not say anything about question 3. I'm not. Question 7. What is your favorite den item? Or favorite item? What's your favorite item in it?
Probably my spike.
Your damage.
Yeah. No, what other spike do I have? Exactly.
My favorite item is probably the pink size and like flower. Okay, question 8.
She's in a relationship.
About that last comment, it's not true. Okay. Question 8. What's your favorite den?
Probably the Sky Kingdom, the Cosmo Den, and the Castle.
My favorite den is the Enchanted Hall. It's pretty unusual. Question 9. Okay, question 9. Who is your favorite famous jammer?
Probably Wisteria and Julian too.
Favorite ship? Favorite?
Yeah, probably
One
Wisteria.
person.
Wisteria.
Okay. That's okay. Oh wow, so basic. My favorite famous jammer is well, I have a few. Well, they're not really famous. I like Refraction. She's famous, but I like Storm and the really the really famous jammer I like. One second, let me look at my subscriptions. Okay, I looked at my subscription. I like Wolfie Cat, or Animal Jammer 330. I like her. I like Brantley and Apari. Yeah. That's not all of them, but they're just my favorite. Oh, and I also like Teals. I like Teals. Okay, question 10. Okay, question 10. What's your favorite land?
Probably Mount Shiver. Sorry.
Referencing to my last video, put in the comments how to respond to it, okay? Mine is Mount Shivir. It's Mount Shivir. Selena pronounces it Shiver too. It's Mount Shivir with 2 ears. With 2 E's, okay? It's Shivir. It's Shivir, okay? Next, last question. Question 11. Okay, question 11. Who is your favorite ship?
Julian and Wisteria.
Just
whoever.
My favorite ships. I like Error and Scrap. Oh, I also like Loot Party. That's funny.
So, what?
Okay. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, down below. And I will see you guys next video. Okay? Bye! Oh wait, I forgot. Do you have anything to say before we go?
Goodbye, people.
Anything else?
No.
Yes, you do.
Bye.
She doesn't want it. Do you have anything to say that's fun? Do you have anything to say that's fun?
No. Subscribe. Have fun. That's probably it.
Do you have anything else to say?
I have nothing else to say.
Yes, you do. Okay. What she said, subscribe down below. Like if you want more videos with Maya. Okay? Bye, guys.